Make a great choice today with the 2016 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, rear step bumper, braking assist, power brakes, electronic messaging assistance with read function, cruise control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.